Hi, I'm Carla DiMattina from Ritam Studio. We're going to do a quick butt workout. Let's come down onto our side. And you can support your head with your hand. Keep both knees bent to start. Straighten that top leg. You're going to lift and lower it. Lifting and lowering. When we put the knees and stacked them at the start, it was to stack the hips. I want the hips to stay in that stacked position while we're doing these exercises. That means that the hips not rolling backwards, so you're not somewhere here. Keep them stacked. Connect the heel and the inside of the foot all the way to the big toe down to the ground. Let's take 2 more here. On your next one, keep the leg up. Turn the foot, rotate it towards the ceiling. Don't lose the hip. Keep it stacked. Lower so the heel touches and lift. Lower and lift. So now the emphasis is really getting that heel to touch down and up. Keep the toes turning towards the ceiling. We've changed the direction, which changes the focus of which glute muscle we're working. Let's take 3 more. On your next one, keep the leg up. Rotate the foot down and then back up. Little rotations here. It's a small move, but it's a nice juicy one that I'm sure you're feeling through your glute. Let's take 2 more here. Come back to center. Bend the knee. It's coming in towards your chest and then up on a diagonal. Into the chest and up on a diagonal. Draw it in, push it back and up. Knee comes in, push through the heel. So I want you to imagine you're pushing a wall away from you. So you need to use your bum there to push back. Let's take 3 more here. Push it back. Up and back. Direction is up on the diagonal. On your next one, hold it up. Tap the foot down, lift it up, come back in. Extend it, lower and lift. So we're adding, lowering the leg down and then up. Knee comes in, push up on the diagonal. Let's take 3 more. Down and up. Knee comes in and out. Let's do 1 more here. Hold the leg up. Stay here with the leg holding. Straighten the bottom leg. Now what I want you to do is try and bring, this one's tough, both legs together. Try and lift the bottom leg. You're going to have to use your hand, using your core here to hold. Then slowly lower that bottom leg. Top leg stays up. Good. Sweep the leg back. Bend the knee. Bring it forward. Sweep it back. Bend it to bring it forward. Enjoy this little stretching moment. Let's take 2 more as you sweep. 1 more. And then reverse the direction. Take it forward. Bend the knee. Pull back. Again. Straight leg forward. Knee bends to push back. Let's go. 1 more here. Great. On your next one, bring the legs down to meet. Come onto your belly. Just lift up through a little cobra. Then come into a child's pose here. Push through the tops of the feet, round the spine to come to all fours. Open the chest. You're going to turn to your other side now. Keep with the knees bent to start with. Feel where the hip is stacked. Then straighten the top leg, lift and lower. You know what we're going, where we're going now, what we're doing, what to expect. So really focus on the quality of your move. Hip stays stacked, heel touches down, inner foot touches down. Lowering and lifting. Make sure your shoulders are not up by your ears. Let them relax down. This is coming from belly and butt. Let's take 3 more here. On your next one, leg stays up, turn the toes to the ceiling, heel touches and lifts. Lower and lift. Keep the hips stacked. Keep that twist. You might not go so high when the leg's in this direction, that's fine. Just keep the quality of the movement. Strong straight leg, lifting with your belly and your butt. Let's take 2 more. On your next one, stay up, turn the toes down and up. Down and up. So little movement here. Rotating internally, externally, working the different muscles in the butt. Take 2 more. On your next one, hold. Knee comes into the chest, kick the leg up and back. Draw the knee in, up and back. So it's going back on a diagonal. Imagine you are pushing something with your foot. Take your hand to your butt and feel that contraction as you push the heel away from you. I want you to feel those muscles engaging. Keep the hips stacked. Don't let it roll back. Let's take 2 more. On your next one, keep the leg extended, lower it down, lift it up, draw it back in. Again, lower and lift, draw the knee in, take it back. That's it, up. In. Let's go 4 more. In, push up and back, lower and lift. Make sure the whole foot touches and taps the mat. 2 more. Next one, in, hold the leg up, straighten the bottom leg, stack them and hold. Use your hand to help as you lift the bottom leg to meet the top leg. Can you hold it there? Squeeze the legs towards each other. Slowly lower the bottom leg down, keep the top leg up. Straight leg forward, bend the knee, take it back. Bring it forward, take it back. Just a little bicycle here, still working, but also going through a little stretch. 1 more in this direction, and then we'll reverse it. Hold the leg back here. Knee bends to come forward, straightens and pulls back. Bends to come forward, straighten and pull back. Let's take 3 more here. One more. Great. Bring the legs back to stacked. Roll over onto your belly. Lift up through the chest. Then sit back into your child's pose. Really sit back through the seat. Round the spine to come forward. Cross your ankles, then sit back. And just get a little stretch here. You're reaching your arms forward, pulling your bum back. Just wiggle through the hips there. It's just a little opening. Then sweep the arms back, extend the legs, open the chest and cross so that the other foot's on top. Sit your butt back and just wiggle it out again. Slowly roll up. Well done. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed that, we have so many more workouts and longer format classes at our online studio, ritam.studio. There you can join me and learn all about my chain movement system.